Hey guys, Tech with Ty here with another video. Today we're going to be going over how to build a scripting bot with Python, PyCharm, and Anaconda so we can automatically buy it well set up after items online, specifically in this case the Telfar bag. They just recently had a big drop of handbags. Everybody wanted their hands on them, so I figured this would be a good video to make. Let's get to it.
Go get that bag. It's groceries outside. Go get that bag. Is that DoorDash? Go get that bag. Get up off your ass. Go get that bag. Go get.
Hey guys, Tech with Ty here, back with another video, and we're going to be continuing writing our Python bot. What we're writing is a shopping bot that automatically buys it. So let's look up what a shopping bot is. Okay, a shopping bot is a self-service automated system that scans thousands of website pages around the world. Once a product inquiry has been made, and once it finds out the best detail, it will immediately alert the user without waiting a second. But in this case, we'll be having the bot buy the items for us instead of alerting us. Okay, so since we're using Selenium, let's pull up Selenium documentation. Let's include Python, so maybe we could better search. Okay, yeah, that's what we need right there. Okay, we're using Chrome, so let's put a Chrome driver. Okay, all right, and once we have that pulled up, let's go ahead and get started with our code. Last video we opened the file that we made, Telfar bot with Jupyter Lab. Once it opens, you'll just type this in this one. We're importing WebDriver, and then we're going to import Chrome driver binary, which is used with Chrome. Okay, so you're going to run that, and then create a new box by pressing this plus sign and type in wd.chrome and wd.implicitly waits. This will wait for the driver to come up for about 10 seconds. If you do it immediately, the function will automatically fail. So as you see here, I have the, well, as you probably can't see here. Okay, this might be the wrong Jupyter Lab. Let me reopen the correct one. So when you go to Anaconda, if you have multiple labs, you need to make sure you're on the right one. By in the middle of Anaconda, there's applications and the name of your environment. Make sure you click on the right one, then click Jupyter Lab, because you won't have any of the packages installed in the default one. So let's wait for that to open up. Okay. So look, I ran this before I started the video, and I'm getting a big fat error once I try to, as everything before this is running, we're importing that, we're uh, actioning Chrome, but when we wait here, we're getting an error. So it looks like a big mess. If you scroll all the way down, it tells you what the error is. So basically, this version of Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 107. So I used the wrong version of Chrome uh, eDriver. So let's look up. Let's see how we look up which version of Chrome we have. So here are the instructions. Let's put Windows 10 because they're talking about Android and iOS. Okay, so at the top left, more. Let's click on that. Okay. Click help, about Chrome. Okay, looks like it's updating Chrome right now. So it might update to the correct version. I use it 1.105. Maybe the up-to-date version is 1.07. Let's update that. But so while that updates, we don't want to download the Chrome driver, so let's Google that web driver for Chrome. Okay, current releases. These are previous releases down here. So after you see what version of Chrome you have, you should ideally update it. So you're using the latest version. You're going to download it into the same file that your Chrome executable is. So wherever it is in files, that's where you're going to want to put that file. Okay. So let me check where mine is. As you guys see, I like to walk you guys through my way of thinking and figuring out stuff. So it's just not a lot of code and just writing. So you learn how to problem solve too. So I'm going to go to program files on my desktop. I think that's where mine is. Google, and I'm going to go to Chrome, application, see which one was used most recently. Let's see here. Hmm, it's not showing me anything useful. So instead of, we're going to go to the search bar. We're going to type in Chrome, and we're going to go open file location. And then once you're at the shortcut, you want to click open file location again, and it'll take you to the executable location. So I have a Chrome driver in here, but it's the wrong version. I'm just waiting for it to update. So, okay, I have to relaunch this. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back here. I ran into some trouble. So actually, you're not supposed to download the Chrome driver file directly into the Chrome folder. You're actually just supposed to update your command line. So I would conda into the environment, and I would actually run Chrome driver auto. Let's see here. Pip install Chrome driver binary auto. So it detects which version of Chrome you actually have already. So you don't have to even deal with all that stuff. So I'm sorry about that. So as you can see here, we can open another Chrome browser. Boom. So we're all up and running correctly. All right. That's it for this part of the video. Let's get on to the next one. All right, guys. So here we have the Telfar website. It was down for a while. I guess they changed it on releases. So this is the bag that was released today, and it's already sold out. So I have these are variables. Each variable has out of stock, pre-order, or coming soon, which are the three different types of items these can be. We could also detect them, the state of the item, so you don't have to hard code it. Um, that's something we could do in a later video. So let's go to hats, because I know these are available, and we're going to mimic the buying process with something that's available. So let me choose this URL, and we're going to add it to pre-order, because that's essentially the same as add to cart. You still buy it from there. So we're going to run everything starting from this block down to this block. So now we need to inspect this. and look for the add to cart. Okay, and there's the button. And you can grab this ID, the button ID to the cart. Oh shit. Fuck. So I figured out what was going on and why it wasn't working. I was getting an error that buy wasn't recognized. But as you can see, I was able to add it to my cart so far. Let me see if I have the Stack Overflow. But basically, I had to import buy in order to use this. And I added an implicit weight too. Pretty sure that helped. Let's change that to about 5 instead of 10. Okay. All right, now that we have it in our cart, let's go ahead and view our cart. Let's inspect the element and see if it's the same one. If it's the same one, we just do it twice. Nope, the ID is view cart button. Okay, just gonna copy this, paste it, change this to view cart. Figured out what was going on and why it wasn't working. I was getting an error that buy wasn't recognized. But as you can see, I was able to add it to my cart so far. Let me see if I have the Stack Overflow. But basically, I had to import buy in order to use this. And I added an implicit weight too. Pretty sure that helped. Let's change that to about 5 instead of 10. Okay. All right, now that we have it in our cart, let's go ahead and view our cart. Let's inspect the element and see if it's the same one. If it's the same one, we just do it twice. Nope, the ID is view cart button. Okay, just gonna copy this, paste it, change this to view cart.